I have some questions for flat earthers. I want to start with a specific question, as there are lots of videos on perspective, refraction, convergence points, Polaris, fake NASA, and all kinds of subjects on YouTube. You don't find a lot of videos on YouTube on continental drift on the flat Earth. As I've been taught in school that we've had continental drift over millions of years on Earth, I was wondering, how does it work on a flat Earth? So I googled it first. I came to the Flat Earth Society website and I found no answers there. So I've been told in school that the Earth is a ball. It has a solid inner core, a liquid outer core, and a mantle and a asthenosphere where the lava is pushing the oceanic plates under the continental plates. So in South America, you would have the Nazca plate pushing from the west side under the continental plate, where it melts, and the melted Nazca plate would form lava that would rise up to spill out of a volcano. Now, there of course is evidence for this theory. You could see fault lines in the earth. You could see cracks after earthquakes. This is a crack that happened after an earthquake in New Zealand in 2016. This is damage caused by that same earthquake. So we know earthquake happens. We also see evidence of plates being compacted by an enormous force, forming mountains, pushing sediment layers together, which then bend or fold to form hills and mountains. And you can see evidence of this all around the world. So we know this happens as well. And of course, volcanoes. So we know there's a liquid coming from underneath the Earth's crust out through a volcano, through the surface of the mountain, or through the cracks in the surface under the water in a sea. So you have volcanoes, lava. We know this exists. So this supports this theory. So if this is what we see evidence of, how does this work on a flat Earth? So this is the principle with the convection current, with the hot water or lava on the Earth coming up in the middle, pushing to the outside where it cools down. When it cools down, it goes down again, heats up again. This is what we see happen. Well, if you take this example, like this, and you imagine that this is the flat Earth, then you would see that the plates would drift to the outside where the lava would cool down, go back to the middle again, heat up, rise. That's what you would see. So in the middle, the oceanic plates would be pushed to the outside, pushing the continental plates to the outside of the planet. You would have a large ocean in the middle and continents on the outside. That's not what we see happening. So if you take a look at the evidence and you take a look at the principle that we applied, then how would you explain this principle with the evidence shown to not conform the flat Earth theory? I would like to see an explanation from the flat Earth point of view. So if you have any idea, let me know in the comments or make a response video. And I'd be very keen to hear or read the explanation on this. So thanks already, and thanks for watching.